Hey everybody, it's Darren Amato here at AMBRO Manufacturing in Flemington, New Jersey. And today I'd like to talk to you about logo bandanas. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around because we're printing some right now. This is our oversized bandana printing equipment. Right now we are printing a 3-color bandana job for one of our clients who uses these in their shops as part of their uniform. I'm gonna come over here to where Claudia is loading the bandanas up. Here's the finished piece coming off the press right now. It looks a little muted with the colors because they have to be activated by the heat. This is a water-based printing process called discharge printing. So where the whites and the golds look a little muted going in, once they come out, they're going to be vivid and bright. Right now, Claudia's in the process of taking off bandanas and loading new blank ones. You can see she's going to go ahead and load one here, align it, make sure it's looking nice and flat. Then we're going to send it through the process where it's first going to get a coat of black dye. There's where the black gets squeegeed on. Now when that comes out, it's going to have the black print. It's going to go right underneath this unit here where it takes a little bit of a heat bath. As that cycles through, it then comes over here to get the gold print. The gold print then swings around, gets heated up again, comes all the way around here, and comes down the final run where it gets its last color, the white. And then Claudia takes the completed bandana off and loads it on the dryer belt. So let's take a look at the end of the dryer belt. As you can see here, that white really popped out. I want to show you again. Going in, the white looks pretty muted, but as it gets heated up, it's nice and bright. That's a very light touch water-based ink. Then we have Maria over there who will fold it up and ship it out to our customer. So if you're interested in custom logo bandanas for your business, for promotional giveaways, advertising, trade shows, or gifts, give us a call here at AMBRO Manufacturing and we're happy to help print some custom bandanas for you.